How have you enjoyed your time in Wales then, Manus?
Yeah, I mean, it's always fantastic. It's my second home. I've been here now since 2019, so it's almost 5 years now. Absolutely love Cardiff. I love being around the city, just everything it provides, you know, local cafes, pubs, you know, the grounds, both here and Principality. The reason I'm back, it's about the people. And not only the people here at the club, but the people in Wales. Yeah, loved every minute of it.
Did it take you by surprise, Manus, when you got here? Because many people see us as a rugby nation, and especially since the success of the football team from Euro 2016 onwards, the football nation. Did it take you surprise the fact that people love their cricket?
Yeah, it actually did. I mean, just the amount of people that turn up to the T20 games, the amount of people we get here for 4-day games, just people that are so committed to the club for such a long time. I think the supporters are so loyal and they're so passionate and they want Glamorgan to do well, and the passion that they have for all their sport, you know, their football, their rugby. Wales really do sport well.
Is it true that you're a trained barista?
I am, yeah. I mean, not that I would use that as the big definition. It's not that hard to get, you know, it's not like I've got a master's in physiotherapy or something. It's one of my favourite things to do is find cafes, find good coffees and then sort of, yeah, that's probably the one thing I love the most.
So how have you found the coffee in the coffee shops around Pontcanna and around Llandaff?
Unbelievable, yeah. There's probably about 6 or 7 that I have hit up, you know, ground coffee, Hard Lines, which is probably the major bean manufacturer here for all the cafes. So no, it's just been great. I mean, it's one thing that I've really loved and I'm very passionate about, so it's always nice to find a really good cafe.
What about travelling around Wales? Because we're very proud, Manus, of our capital city, of course, but also we've got stunning coastline, especially on days like today. Have you ventured outside Cardiff as well?
Yeah, I have. So been to Ogmore by the sea, where we venture if we want to go out, just do a beachfront, have a little lunch there, take the family, so it's lovely. You know, I played a bit of golf around Porthcawl, Southern Down, Celtic Manor. I mean, they're all great courses.
When you go back home and you tell people about your time in Wales, how would you sum it up, Manus?
I just love the lifestyle here, and I love the change. I love being close to the parks, Llandaff Fields. I love the afternoons, the late afternoons, where you can, you know, go out and enjoy you know, sitting in the park with your family, have a barbecue, let the kids play. It's a great feeling, and you know, hence why I keep coming back.